predicament. It's a perfect day for a picnic.
And our food smells delicious. Let's dig in.
Yeah. What's that smell? Did someone invite a skunk?
I think it's coming from over there.
Let's find out what's ruining our picnic.
Hey, you!
I think the smell is coming from that.
But what is that?
Oh, boy, just what I thought. The nose knows.
You know what that is, Ranger Anna?
I'll say it's a yuckweed, the stinkiest plant ever. Only they don't usually grow around here. A seed must have blown in from far away. We have to be careful because yuckweeds grow fast. Really, really fast.
And stink.
Bingo. Really stinky weeds.
So let's figure out how to get rid of it.
Wait, see those round spotted things? Those are yuckweed seeds. And there are 2 things you need to know. Listen carefully. Rule number 1, don't blow them around. If the seeds spread, more yuckweeds will grow and the smell will be everywhere. Rule number 2, never ever let them touch water. They'll grow twice as fast.
No blowing, no water. Got it. Right, Rusty?
Oh, right. I'm on it.
What you doing there, Rusty?
Blowing away the smell with my solar-powered Superfan 5000.
Solar-powered super... No!
See? Odor problem solved.
Yeah, but now we have a bigger problem. That was rule number 1. We're not supposed to blow them around.
I didn't hear that. I was too busy trying to help.
We've got to stop them before they land and grow into yuckweeds.
Freeze, seeds!
They're too fast.
I can't reach them either.
There must be a way to get those seeds. Maybe if I build a drone with a rocket-powered seed picker attachment...
No, Botasaur, get away! Yuck! Wait, I mean, yay!
How is this yay?
Because, look at Botasaur. He thinks the seeds are delicious. He can eat them.
But how do we figure out where they all went?
We'll get some bits on the fix. Whirly, we need you. Search around for big flying stinky seeds. There's a whole bunch in the forest, which is super muddy from last night's rainstorm. Great job, Whirly. Want some more stinky snacks, big guy?
Wait, you want to take Botasaur? He wasn't designed to go off-road that fast.
You're right. He's too heavy, and mud and sand will slow him down. We've got to move fast before the seeds spread the smell all over the place.
But what can we do?
We can soup up Botasaur to be an all-terrain, super-fast dinosaur.
Great idea, Rusty. Let's combine it
And design it. We'll start with Botasaur.
Then add some giant tires. That way, Botasaur can go off-road and handle sand and mud.
And finally, we'll add some rocket boosters, so he can go fast, too. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. The deluxe all-terrain Botasaur! I think he likes it!
To the forest! Riding a giant all-terrain dinosaur is awesome! Woohoo!
The seeds are so stinky, people are running away. Keep on chomping, Botasaur. Okay, according to Whirly's video, the last bunch of seeds should be right in front of us.
In front and up. Way up.
If we don't get those seeds, they'll blow away, and yuckweeds will sprout up everywhere. We'll have to start all over.
We'll never reach those. That is one tall tree.
We can reach them! Hold on!
Good try, Botasaur, but they're just too high.
We could use those tree branches as a ramp.
According to my calculations, even jumping off of those won't get Botasaur high enough.
Not just jumping off, jumping, bouncing, and revving, like a monster truck.
Jumping, bouncing, revving. I love this day! Let's do it! Woo! That was awesome! And all the seeds are gone. Great job, you three.
Now we can finally have our picnic. I'm starving.
Ruby, I think I can still smell them.
But I thought we got them all.
Look! Over there! They're headed towards the pond. We've got to stop them. Remember the second rule? If the seeds hit the water, they'll grow 3 times as fast.
Let's go!
Burn rubber, Botasaur.
Whew, we're safe. No seeds anywhere. They must not have landed in the water.
It's Ninja Fish. What's wrong, my fine-finned friend?
I think he's telling us to look into the water. The seeds did get into the water. And now they're growing even faster.
Poor Ninja Fish.
This stinks.
It really stinks.
It's all my fault. There must be a way to fix this and get all the yuckweeds out of the water. Oh, I know! Ninja Fish, can you push all the yuckweeds up out of the water?
Oh no, that's way too many for one fish. Do you have any friends who can help?
Awesome! And after you push them up, Botasaur can eat them.
How? Botasaur can't go on water.
Oh, yes, he can. Watch this. All-terrain Botasaur can also float.
Cool!
Ninja Fish, you push the yuckweeds up, and Botasaur will gulp them down. Stinky snack time! Mission accomplished.
They think you did a whale of a job.
And the fish did a good job, too.
Thanks for inviting me to your picnic. Everything smells so good.
There's plenty for everyone. Hey, Botasaur, want a snack?
Nope, he's gonna be full for a while.